Hello everyone. Okay, it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video. I just wanted to come in here and give you guys another little quick snippet before we get into this video. Okay, this past weekend we had a bit of a scare at my house. Our dog is a Pomeranian named Mufasa. He slid in our kitchen and immediately started screaming after that. So we took him to the ER, got him checked out, and they told us that he was going to need some surgery after they did an x-ray on him. Immediately we sprung into action. The surgery was way more than I could afford. It was over $2,000. So, I got ready to sell the car. If we needed to, I was going to get rid of the Civic, get the RC trucks out. And, we reached out to friends, family. We created a GoFundMe page, just really whatever we could do to get this handled, right? So the next day after that, Mufasa was up, running around. He jumped off the futon, and we're just looking like, something's not right. So let's go ahead and get another consultation. On Monday, which is today, we called around. We found a vet about an hour away that was able to see him and get him checked out. So we drove him. They checked him out. They did their own x-rays, and come to find out, he does not have a popped out hip socket. He's actually fine. They gave us some chewables to supplement for his joints, so he can, strengthen his joints more because of his arthritis. They said he does have arthritis. However, he does not need surgery. So that's a blessing. We give up all the glory to God, and we just want to say thank you to all the support, all the prayers, and all the friends and family that have come through. And the GoFundMe campaign was canceled, and we did refund all the money as well. It should show up within 3 to 7 business days. So thank you so much for the support, and I hope you enjoy the video. And before I go, I almost forgot. I just wanted to say I've been collecting a lot of these parts and things like that you're going to see. I've been collecting these for a couple months now. So these videos that you'll see in the next few days or the coming weeks are a culmination of clips and parts and things that I've been collecting for quite some time. It's not just a week's worth of work. So enjoy. Hello, everybody. I am off work. It's been a long day. I'm just sitting here in my little tinkering corner, and I wanted to show you guys some stuff, okay? Here is my 40th edition. As you can see, I've been driving it pretty hard. Got some bashing done, and I've bashed some parts, okay? But I'm not too worried about it because I've been waiting for some upgrades to come in. I got my little wheelie bar workshop going on. I've been putting wheelie bars together, building them, shipping them out. I got some new tires that came in for my Mini. Some Daytona Edge wide radial. Haven't opened those yet, but I was waiting for some parts to come in for a shipment, and it finally came. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I haven't opened this yet, but I've been waiting for it. So let's see what I got. Oh, and if you didn't know, if you hadn't noticed, this rear shock tower is epoxied back together with some JB Weld because, yeah, your boy drives it pretty hard. And I like to bash in this stuff every once in a while. And when you hit something going 30 miles per hour in something this small, you're bound to break something. So right off the back, we can see one of the things that came in this box. It looks really nice. It's a little cooling fan. It's to keep some stuff cool. I'm gonna upgrade the motor in my truck eventually, so we all know you want to keep that motor cool. And let's see what else we got here. I'm really excited. I've been waiting on this stuff for a while. Oh wow, that is really good looking. That is red carbon fiber, custom made pieces. Those are the shock towers for my RC truck. This is a red carbon fiber motor mount plate is fully adjustable, so I can move the motor where I want. It's a custom carbon fiber battery tie-down strap. The original strap, which is right here, it's a lot smaller. Makes it more difficult to get batteries and things in and out of there. This one's a little bit wider, but it still fits the frame of the truck, so that's nice. And you guys know I got the tires. So what good are tires without some custom wheels? Got some of those. Those are custom made. And I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video of where I got all of these custom parts that I am in love with right now. And these are some more custom wheels that came with foam tires. These are made for street use, so we'll see how those hold up. I'm gonna do some testing. I have the foam tires here for street use. I have these that are already on here, which are the Pro Line whole shot tires. And then now I also have a set of Daytona Edge radial tires. See what the tread on those looks like. Just so you guys can compare the tread. So these have a directional radial. It's gonna look nice. So yeah, exciting. I'm pretty excited about it. And I've got all the tire glue and everything like that from when I glued on my Pro Line whole shot tires. So you just work those around just like that. Pops right in. Got a little groove. And that's what those will look like. So those are looking pretty good. Those are actually looking kind of meaty compared to the whole shot. Not bad. I'm excited. We're gonna see 3 different tire options. And like I said, this is all red carbon fiber. So, you know, this should be a lot more durable than the original pieces as well. And that's all custom 3D printed red plastic pieces. I wanted some red trim in there because if you don't know me, now you know red is one of my favorite colors. So figured we'll get some red going through there. And I really like the red going through the carbon fiber. That looks really good. Let me see if I can get a better view on that. Wow. All right, so now you see I showed you guys the shock tower was busted, and you don't see a new shock tower over here either, but that's not too big of an issue because I do have some other stuff sitting here. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up because this is a shipment that I got a while ago, but I never really brought it out. So today I'll show that as well. I'll move this new stuff. Gently. And I will just kind of dump this bag. Actually, I'll pull this stuff out as well. All right, we got front aluminum pivot block. So that is an aluminum upgrade piece. I believe it goes... Oh, wait a minute. I believe it goes in there, in between here somewhere. We'll figure that out. I got instructions for everything, I'm sure. We got the aluminum front arms because, of course, this arm is done for, okay? Now this, we won't discuss that. Maybe we'll discuss that in another video, but for now, we'll just say Horizon Hobbies is doing a great job. The hub set, rear aluminum hub set. Here is the rear aluminum hex set for the wheels, rear wheels. Here's another one because I have another something on the way. Here is a bell crank and drag link aluminum as well. That would be for the steering servo in there. New transmission case and motor plate. I'm not going to need a motor plate because we have the beautiful red carbon fiber one, but I'm going to keep that. That's an extra because I want to build a whole nother transmission, but that's another story for another video. Another front aluminum pivot. Here is the one of the rear aluminum arms. Here's the tag for it. I got too excited and kind of ripped that open, but yeah, I have both of those as well. The aluminum servo arm. What's this? All right, so if you see this, it says gear cover with plug Mini T 2.0. Okay, but anyways, here's another one, gear cover with plug. All right. And of course my other arm, the aluminum arm, and these hot racing parts are looking really nice as well. And I'll be pretty honest, I was actually pretty surprised when I got these tires in because they're also hot racing. So that was a shocker to me, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I am gonna end the video there. You see, I have a lot of little parts and things like that to install. These parts are not large, they're very small. For perspective, this is one of the A-arms to the truck, to the whole truck, fits on my pointer finger. So these trucks are extremely intricate. There's a lot of moving pieces, a lot of little pieces. You see, I hit a curb, stuff breaks. So it's worth it to upgrade to the aluminum. And yeah, I'm gonna do some work on this truck tonight, and I'll show you guys some updates throughout the channel. But you guys know I'm into building stuff and making it go faster, so just know that there will be more on the way for this little truck. All right, thank you. I hope you have a great evening or day or morning or whenever it is that I decide to edit this footage together and release it to the world. Thanks again for watching, and have a good one.